Mall of Cebu is the first G-Mall to rise in Cebu City. Cebuanos will soon experience the Gaisano Mall shopping and leisure. It is situated in place of the White Gold Club Incorporated in North Reclamation area. G-Mall or Gaisano Mall is already an established mall name in Mindanao, like G-Mall of Davao, G-Mall of Tagum, G-Mall of Toril, G-Mall of Jensan, G-Mall of Digos, just to name a few. It will stand in between SM City Cebu and Robinson's Galleria, around 300 to 400 meters from these two malls. G-Mall of Cebu will have 5 floors and with a ground floor area of approximately 200,000 square meters. This will be a 4-level mall with a basement parking. One of its main attraction is their cinemas. The G-Mall brand is also famous for their supermarket and home furniture lines. As Joseph Gaisano Jr. said, White Gold Club General Manager in 2018, we want to modernize it a little bit more. It's been overdue. We will upgrade the looks and everything. What we're looking at is there will be a mall area, an atrium. By the way, this G-Mall of Cebu is earmarked at a staggering 1 billion pesos.